welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and I'm sure that all of you know how to make poha, and you might be eating poha for breakfast or as an evening snack, but I'm going to today show you a very different way of making poha. Now, unless you're living in Maharashtra, I'm sure you've never tasted this kind of poha. So let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making Dadpe Pohe. It is a Maharashtrian specialty and it tastes amazing and it's very easy to make. So guys, if you do like my recipes, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so you're first to know whenever I upload a new recipe, and it's free. So why wait? And now let's proceed. Okay guys, so for this recipe, you're going to need 3 cups of thin poha, also known as Kanda Poha or patla poha, 1 big onion diced, 1 big tomato diced, 2/3 cup of grated fresh coconut, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dhania, which is cilantro, half cup of mungfali, which is peanuts, 1 tablespoon of ginger chili paste, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of rye, which is mustard seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, which is kadhi patta, a pinch of hing, which is asafoetida, 1 tablespoon of oil and salt, and that is about it. Now let's begin our process. In a big mixing bowl, I'm going to add the diced onions, followed by the diced tomatoes, then the lime juice, sugar, and some salt. And now, using my clean hands, I'm going to mix everything in with a slight pressure for just about 30 seconds. This will help the onions and the tomatoes to start sweating and release some liquid. Then I'm going to add the grated fresh coconut, chopped up dhania, the ginger chili paste, and now using a spoon, I'm going to mix everything in. Once properly mixed, I'm going to keep it aside and I'm going to add oil to a kadhai. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the rye, which is mustard seeds. And once they sizzle, then I'm adding the curry leaves, which is kadhi patta, followed by the hing. And then I'm going to add the peanuts and fry them for 1 to 2 minutes or until the peanuts color changes to a darker shade. Then I'm going to remove it from the flame and keep it aside. And now I'm going to add the thin poha to the bowl in which I have the onions and the tomatoes, and I'm going to give it a gentle mix. Once mixed, then let's add the fried peanuts and again give it a good mix. Now guys, remember to stir the poha very gently, otherwise it could break or become clumpy. And now our dish is ready to serve, so let's remove it in a plate. And I just garnished it with a little fresh coconut and dhania, and I can't wait, so I'm digging in. Really good. Next time you're planning to make poha, forget about the old way, make it this way. I'm sure you're going to love it. You saw how easy it is. It's just that easy. It's just that easy. Do give it a try. Do let me know what you think about this kind of poha. And after you make it, do let me know whether you prefer the old one or whether you prefer this one. And I will see you very, very soon. Meanwhile, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Do it from your phone. Do it from your laptop. Do it from your computer. No excuses. Because this is one way you guys can support me and see many more videos. So do subscribe and do click on this link over here because it's one of my favorite recipes. And you definitely don't want to miss this one. So do click on this one as well. And I will see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.